Hello students. So today I will explain uses of metals, non-metals and alloys. Okay, so first I will take metals, uses of metals. Metals, they are integral part of our life. We all are using metals for our various purposes. The common metals which we are using, which we use every day, they are iron, copper, aluminium and silver. Although many others we use, but these are the common metals which we use in our everyday life. Now let me discuss about these one by one. First is the iron. Iron metal, this is widely used metal and we use it for making various tools, various types of toys, various cooking utensils which we use in our kitchen, and means so many purposes, for so many purposes, like the elements of heaters, like the electromagnets, wires, nails, all these are made up of iron metal, right? So iron is the common metal which we all are using, and where we use it for preparing different types of tools, different types of toys, cooking utensils, various types of nails, electromagnets and agricultural implements, right? Second one I will take here now, commonly used metal, that is copper. Now copper metal, it is commonly used, widely used for electrical cables, why? Because of its property that it is ductile in nature. Metals are ductile in nature and they can be made into wires. And not only electrical cables but so many electrical goods and also same cooking utensils. Okay, next one is the commonly used metal, that is aluminium. Aluminium, I told you earlier that because of its malleability, metals property, we can make thin sheets of this aluminium metal and we can wrap the food items in the, that we call what? Aluminium foil. We all know it. This is a very common purpose of this aluminium metal, common use of this aluminium metal which we all are using, and it is also used for making the aircraft bodies. Other purposes are also like for cooking utensils, and it is also used in different types of the other means the common household things. But commonly aluminium foil, aircraft bodies and cooking utensils you can write in examinations for scoring. Okay, other uses which you can write also there. Other one, so we have discussed here iron, copper and aluminium. Next one is the silver. I am writing here only the symbols, as in the very beginning of the chapter I told you to learn the symbols here. AG stands for silver. Silver is commonly used for making, jewelry. Other for decoration, for different types of tablewares. And this metal is also same, very good property, malleable. All metals have malleable properties, but some metals which are having the more than others, that we use for that particular purpose. Malleable metal means that again we can make its thin sheets, so it can be converted into the foils like and we can decorate our foodstuffs with the silver foils. And one important property of silver, that silver is a good conductor of electricity. But why we can't, it is a good conductor of electricity, but why we are not using it for electrical, in electrical wires, making electrical wires? Why? Because this metal is too expensive. So although it is good conductor of electricity, and all these, the gold and silver wires, they are used for high, means the precision electrical contacts in computers, means computer parts, they are made by this silver and also gold metals. Okay, so this is about the properties of metals. Now briefly I will take the second one, that is alloys. You know what are alloys? They are the homogeneous mixture of two or more metals, right? And the any metal and non-metal, we can say, that is alloy. So they are very good as comparison to metals. Why? Because they are more stronger. They are more stronger, means, and harder than the metals. Moreover, like iron metal, if we use commonly, directly we use the iron metal, then what will be, after some time this will react with air and water and there will be rust formation, so corrosion will be, right? So better to mix it with other metals and form its alloy. Means alloy, they are resistant to corrosion also. These metals alloys, they cannot be corroded easily. Means they whenever any layer, other metals layer will be over the iron, then they cannot be corroded, means they will not react with the oxygen and water, so their lifespan can be longer. This is the about the this alloys, and their composition and properties, uses, they are given in tabulated form in book. I will give you in assignment. Last one I will take the uses of non-metals. Now non-metals, you know, commonly they are nitrogen, phosphorus, iodine, sulfur, oxygen, diamond and graphite. All these are the, you know, non-metals. So their uses, first if I talk about the nitrogen, nitrogen is a very commonly used in the fertilizers, and this is very essential for the growth of the plants. Next one is the phosphorus, used for making matchboxes. Next one, iodine. Iodine is used as an antiseptic, means it can be, its preparation is made that can be applied on the wounds and infection can be prevented. So it is used as an antiseptic. Sulfur is used for making the crackers, gunpowders, acids, different types. And oxygen, you know, very very essential for living organisms, right? Next one is the diamond. You know, diamond is very hard and it is a form of carbon. It is used for making what? Jewelry and also cutting and grinding tools. Next, last one is the graphite. Graphite is also the form of carbon and it is used for making batteries and pencils, right? So this is all about the uses of metals and non-metals. Okay then, thank you.